welcome back to my channel. And if you are new to my channel, then hi, welcome. My name is Liv and I do makeup tutorials or whatever. So go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below if you are not subscribed to me before we get on with the rest of the video. So for today's tutorial, I didn't really know where it was going to go, to be honest, but I wanted to play with my new Morphe palette that I got for Christmas that I haven't played with yet. And I think just the blues and the palette were screaming to me, so this is what I came up with, was a blue glittery, just full blown out smoky eye. So yeah, if you would like to see how I created this look, then go ahead and keep on watching. So first I'm going to start off by priming my face, and I'm going to be taking the Smashbox Photo Finish Primer Water. I'm just going to take that all over my face, and it's kind of running low, so it's like spraying weird. Then on top of that, I'm just going to go in with the Benefit Porefessional primer, just to get it really like in my cheeks and stuff, like where I feel like my pores show the most. Then for foundation today, I'm actually going to be taking a new one.
Hey guys, welcome. Oh my god.
I gotta put that on there now. This one is the L'Oreal Infallible. It's the new one that's like in the bottle. I guess it's a 24-hour fresh wear. So I'm gonna be taking this one today. And I actually just bought this foundation today, so I'm super excited to use it. I've heard nothing but good things about this foundation. I don't know why I'm taking so long to get it, but I'm excited to try it. It's super thin. It says it's medium to full coverage, but it is really thin, like of a consistency. So let's see. I mean, so far the coverage does look nice. So far, I really am liking the coverage. It says it's medium to full coverage and it's buildable. I definitely see that. It also says that it's breathable and buildable coverage, which obviously, like I said, it is buildable. And up to 24-hour fresh complexion. My face does look very fresh. It's not matte, so you can tell, you know, like my face still looks like it's skin. So yeah, so far I do like it. And for concealer, I'm taking my Born This Way multi-use sculpting concealer, and I'm just taking this one under my eyes. I'm gonna go in with the primer for eyeshadow. And I'm actually going to let that sit for a little bit and just start to clean up my brows, because I forgot to do that before primer or after primer. And I'm just going to take my Morphe sponge and blend that out. And then I like to take the other end and just kind of blend out the edges of where the concealer and foundation mesh together. That way it's not just a super harsh line of concealer and then foundation right here between the cheeks and the eyes. And then I'm going to be taking the Bakerie Flour setting powder. I've actually never used this. I also bought this one today. So I'm going to be taking this one and just setting it underneath my eyes to set my concealer. And then I'm just going to be taking that same powder and setting the whole rest of my face. And then I'm just going to dust off that powder from underneath my eyes. And then I'm just going to go ahead and do my brows off camera, and I'm going to be using the Benefit Precisely My Brow Pencil, and then I will be right back. So I did go ahead and do my brows already, and I also went ahead and primed my eyelids for the eyeshadow look. And for eyes today, we're going to be taking the Morphe 35V palette. I got this palette for Christmas and I actually haven't played with it yet. I have swatched them, but it basically looks like this. So you've got neutrals on this side, and then this side is what made me want the palette, because it has like the little cranberry and like darker berry colors, and also like the blues, and this pretty teal right here is the one that I wanted to use today with all these shimmers. So yeah, this is a Morphe 35V. I actually have no idea what look I want to do, so we're just gonna see where this goes. But I know that I really want to use this pretty teal color, so we'll see. But I'm going to go ahead and zoom you guys in, that way you can see better. So I think I'm gonna go with the blues, and I'm going to start off by taking this shade right here which is called Hit It Off. And I'm taking that with a Makeup Shack T93 brush. And I'm just going to start by packing that into my crease. And then I'm just going to work on blending that up and out. The next one, I'm going to be taking this navy shade right here, which is called Fling. And I'm taking that one with a Morphe MB13. This one's more of a flat, like spread out fluffy brush. And I'm just going to keep that one lower in the crease this time. Then I'm going to go back with that Makeup Shack T93 and just kind of blend those together. And I'm actually going to be going in with a Morphe E22 brush. This one's more of a dense like blending brush. And I'm going in again with that shade Fling, but since this one's more dense, it's going to pick up more product. And again, focus that one into the crease. Then I'm going to be going in with this shade here, which is called Go Nude, and taking that one with a Morphe G17. And this one's a very light nude shade. I'm just going to be taking that one to blend out the blue as we get closer to the brow, to kind of soften it up. And there really is no lighter blue in that palette, so honestly this one just kind of helped to make that blue a little bit lighter and look a little bit more transitioned and blended. Then I'm just going to go back with a little bit more of that blue shade, the first one that we used, and just kind of blend some color back in there. Then I'm going to be going in and cutting my crease, so I'm just going to be taking my Too Faced Born This Way concealer to do so, and just a flat shadow brush. And if you aren't new to my channel, then you guys have seen me cut my crease before. So I like to just go in, set it on the lid, and then open my eye, because then it creates the top of where I want the crease to be, since I have really small lid space. And now that the crease is all cut, I'm going to be going in with this shade right here, which is called Stud. And I'm actually just going to be taking that on the back of my finger and placing that into the center of my lid. So I know it looks a little bit crazy now, and I do wish that with this shadow I would have gone in with a flat brush to pack it on and then use my finger to go over it to add more. I didn't, so I struggled a bit. So tip, if you have this palette and you plan on using that color, do that. Then I am going to be going in back with that navy shade, which is called Fling. And I'm taking that one with a Makeup Shack T73 brush. And I'm basically just taking that to the outer edges of my creases. Then I'm just going back in with that E22 brush to just kind of help blend out the edges and the corners. And I did add a little bit more product just so we could get a little bit more of that color on there. So I'm actually going to be going in with different shades on the lower lash line. I'm going to be going in with this shade here, which is called Tryst, and this one that is called Bad Boy. And I'm just going to blend those into my lower lash line. So I'm going to go ahead and do some mascara and lashes off camera, and then I will be right back to finish up the face. So to contour up the face, I'm going to be taking my Wet n Wild contouring palette as usual. And again, I just like to take this to contour and bronze up the face at the same time. And then the same to contour the nose. And then I'm going to take my Makeup Revolution banana powder and clean up my contour. Then while I let that set, I'm going to go ahead and do my highlight and my blush. And I'm going to be taking this little baby Artist Couture highlight that I have. And I'm going to be using, I just spilled that everywhere. And it's a loose highlighter, so I'm going to be taking that with my Morphe M501 brush. And this one is more of a pink highlighter. And I thought it would just look really pretty with the blue shadow, so that's why I wanted to use this one. Then I'm going to be taking my Tarte blush and just applying that over. Then I'm going to go back in and dust off all of this banana powder. Then I'm just going to go in and set my face with the Smashbox primer water. Then I'm going to be going in my lower lash line, and in my waterline I'm going to be putting in this nude liner, which is a Rimmel London liner, and it's in the shade in the nude. So basically what this does is just open up the eyes. Since they're just so smoky and blown out, we want to open them up a little bit more. And I love just how pigmented this eyeliner is in the waterline. My eyes got all watery, but I promise I'm not going to cry. And for the lips today, since the eyes are very bold, I want to keep the lips nude. So I'm just going to be taking this NYX lip liner, and this one is in the color Nude Suede Shoes. And it's a little bit more pink than I'd like, but I couldn't find my other nude liner. And so for lips, over that I'm going to be taking this Morphe lip gloss, and this is in the shade Freebird. It's kind of like a light brown nude gloss, and I'm just going to take that over. And that is the completed look. And that is it for today's tutorial, you guys. If you made it all the way through, thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate you. Like I said, I didn't know where this video was going to end up, so this is what we came up with. I hope you guys enjoyed this look. I had fun doing this look. So thank you guys so much for watching. Before you leave, don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below. It helps me out so much. And if you're already watching, why not hit subscribe and also hit the little notification bell right next to it. That way you don't miss when I upload a new video. And don't forget that you can keep up with me on all my other social medias, which are Snapchat, Twitter, and Instagram. They're in the description box down below, as are listed all the products that I used in this tutorial, as they always are. So again, thank you guys so much for watching, and until next time, bye my loves.